What the hell?
I'm pregnant!
Oh, you dude. Stop!
Oh, man!
Get on the ground! Take the point, we're in the woods right off 175.
The 29th of July 2025, West Allis, Wisconsin. Legal analysis, narcotics enforcement and felony flight.
Still moving back towards Nashville. 32, I got it.
Stop stepping on each other, guys.
Pedestrians coming up to Lincoln. Gonna be about 760 in a second.
God bless it, man.
Great. Disregard sending a squad to Humboldt and cover our...
Clear the light now. Looks like, is anybody eating?
Shut up!
David, you want me to go? Yeah, it's through the light. Probably at like 6:20-ish now. I think it's coming up the east city limits now. It's got quite a ways on me left. Somebody's pointing north on 60. Good Samaritan. So I'm going to check that way for crashes. If anybody's north on 60, keep an eye.
Is it a black Lexus sedan, right?
Confirm, single license plate, confirm.
Copy on 60 National, waiting.
Plates is Adam Lincoln Robert 9798, no vehicle associated.
I got it here. It's northbound 60 Greenfield. I haven't lit it up. If someone wants to come with me, I'll turn around on it.
Back at East Lloyd.
Copy.
34 to Morgan, I'm calling to you.
Eastbound National, one male black occupant, one female white. She'll be in pursuit again. Speeds approximately 45 miles an hour, one for mobile drug dealing. West Allis in pursuit.
Even call it.
Morgan, that's me. I'm with you. I can call it. We're eastbound National from Site 8, speed 75, light traffic, no pedestrians coming up to Miller Parkway.
It's stopping. It's stopping. Oh, disregarded. Still going. We are eastbound coming up to 43rd Street. Light traffic, no pedestrians. Speeds are 34. Briefly going in oncoming traffic.
There is zero oncoming traffic in that way, coming up to the ramp for 175.
Getting on 175 northbound from Miller Parkway.
30, light traffic, no pedestrians, roads are dry.
West Dallas in pursuit of a black Lexus, one for mobile dealing.
Speeds are 60, coming up to the stadium interchange.
MCSO and MPD requesting sticks.
Headed toward 175 northbound.
Speeds are 95, medium light traffic, everybody's getting on their way, roads are dry.
It's taking 175 northbound.
Sticks, it looks like continuing northbound, West Dallas in pursuit, 175 northbound, passing under Wisconsin, speeds are 103.
Coming up to the state elite exit, cutting over to the number 3 lane. Just past 100 feet, it's favoring to get off at Floyd.
Taking the exit, by standby.
It is going to go east.
Crash, crash, crash! It's up in the grass! Crash!
Crash, 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 what the hell?
100 is getting into that black vehicle. 1 is no possible.
Get on the ground right now!
It's a big smoke!
Foot pursuit north, run back towards 175!
Sir, I'm pregnant!
Put your hands behind your back!
I'm pregnant, sir.
You good, Lamb?
I'm pregnant.
You good?
Please, sir.
Females in custody, vehicle crash, new offense.
Yeah, please go away!
It's not gonna explode.
Yes, it is!
It's not gonna
The
explode.
hood is on fire!
It's
The
not
hood is
gonna
on fire!
explode. Go.
Oh, you dude! Stop!
Oh, man!
Get on the ground!
Stop there!
Take to the point, we're in the woods right off 175.
Oh,
Get in the way! over, we're good. Turn over, or you're gonna get tased.
Do not reach!
Right here. Take your other hand out. No!
I got it right here.
Get off your hand!
Look at my hand,
Left hand's underneath him. Roll him towards you. He's good.
Here, roll it towards me.
He's
Roll him
fine.
towards me.
And dude, come on.
Look at my hand right here.
Stop! Give us your hand, dude.
White female passenger.
We got her. We got her.
What's that guy's name? If you're just a passenger, you're fine. Don't worry.
Yes,
okay?
sir. Oh my God, my baby.
Okay. Sit down. Hey, she said the car is starting on fire.
It's on fire.
If you're just a passenger, don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Hop in, watch out. You're just gonna sit here, okay?
Oh my baby.
Okay, just get in. Get in the car.
Oh.
Get in the car.
Oh.
Watch your head.
Oh. Oh.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Watch your knee, okay?
Yes, sir. Oh.
You good, bud?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, roll over.
Thing hurt like.
Hey, probably with that thing. That hurts.
Taser, bro?
Taser.
Hell yeah.
We'll help you up. You're good.
I need a butt here, man.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go.
Cool. Alright, you're good.
I can't breathe.
We'll go this way, buddy.
Put my pants up in the back.
You okay?
Put my pants up.
I
I don't sag, they just happen.
Yeah, I got you. Any weapons?
No, hell no.
Narcotics? Where are they? In the car? Or is it in your pants?
I got this. He was reaching his pants over here. Got some? Yeah, there's a bag that's by my car. There's a baggie, but I don't think anything's in there.
Hey, walk the path. Make sure he didn't ditch any. Hey, can you backtrack the path in there, see if he dumped
Could you probably
from where we found him?
Pull my pants up.
You still got a probe in you, boss?
I think so.
Okay.
Dude, that's that vibrate like a motherfucker. For real.
Oh my God.
We're gonna search you, okay?
Yeah.
Need an ambulance?
Huh?
You need an ambulance?
You think so? If
You're probably gonna have to get cleared, yeah. We got in here, guys.
Oh my God, you dumbass.
What was up? Y'all sitting off a stain or something?
A dope right here. He had a little bit of dope right here in his pocket.
I hate you,
With little found on the suspect, later identified as 57-year-old Andrew, one officer suspected he trashed them, and a canine search soon revealed something far worse than expected.
Of all the ways he could have went, I thought he was going to go on at 84th Street.
I had no idea what was going on initially.
He's all over this area. He went this way? Yeah, he's all over this area though. No. Got that. There's a bag of dope, some more right here. Yeah, it's all right here. We need somebody with a camera, please.
Nick, leave it. You have the right to remain silent. So, let's start from the very beginning.
Yes.
The guy that was in the car with you, who is that to?
Just a friend of mine.
Okay, like a boyfriend, child's
Sort
father?
of boyfriend.
Boyfriend?
Yes.
Okay. How long have you known him for?
A few years.
A few years. Where'd you meet him?
I used to.
Okay.
This was years ago, and he helped me get out of that style of life and brought me back to my kid's family, believe it or not. So he's just been a really good friend, been there for me.
Did he pick you up today?
Yeah.
Okay, in that car?
Yeah.
Where did he pick you up from?
My mom's house.
Okay, and that's
Yeah.
what did he tell you guys were gonna go do?
He said we were gonna go out to his Uncle Bill's house to get some bread because he gets a stock box. That was it.
Where does his Uncle Bill stay at?
I don't know exactly. I don't even remember where we were exactly at.
Okay.
That was my first time out here.
Has he driven that car before?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you always see him in that car?
As far as what he told me, he just got that car. He just bought it.
When did he say he just bought it?
Maybe a couple months.
What, the apartment complex that you guys pulled into? What was he doing there?
That apartment is where we got the stock box from his uncle.
You said the stop box. What?
Stock.
Stock box?
Yes,
Like
basically
S-T-O-C-K?
it's got like bread and juice and milk. But when he saw you guys, a stock box out the window. He was like, oh shit, that. I see police, we gotta get out of here.
Where did he throw the stock box at?
He didn't throw it anywhere. We didn't even grab it because we seen you guys when we came in.
Okay.
He was just worried about getting home at that point.
Did Uncle Bill come out to the car?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What did he give him?
He didn't give him anything. He was, I don't know.
So then what happened? He saw us and then what?
That's when all hell broke loose. And
Okay. Did he say anything?
he said, shut up, just be quiet, just be quiet. Because he was trying to concentrate. Like, what the hell are you trying to concentrate on, guys? I wanted to get out.
Did he say anything about what was in the car?
Nope.
No.
As far as I know, he's a mechanic, he's got tools.
I don't really believe the whole story about Uncle Bill and the stock box and coming out and saying, oh, he like whatever and it didn't give it to him.
I know he sells. That's all I know he sells. I don't
So,
know anything else.
Walk me
Because,
through.
to be honest,
So walk me through when you guys get to the apartment complex. What happens?
we just freaked out.
No. Like before you saw the police.
We were in an argument because I'm pregnant, and he was just really telling me I'm such an evil, dirty, disgusting bitch.
And was that in the parking lot or while you guys were driving?
While we were driving there, I'm sitting here bawling my eyes out.
So what actually happened in the parking lot?
He handed him some money.
The guy handed the driver money?
Yeah.
Or- okay.
And then after that, I didn't see any exchanges because he told me to fix my face because we were about to go inside.
Did he hand anything back to Uncle Bill?
I don't know.
And while this was going on, another officer was already questioning Andrew at the hospital, and he seemed completely unfazed.
Well, Fence, you're a little old to be doing that shit, aren't you? That's a young man's game. Probably would have been better off just stopping. Yeah. All right, man. I want to ask you some questions. You're familiar with your Miranda rights?
Yeah.
I gotta read you those, okay? Let's start from the beginning, dog. So obviously you were at Sunrise. What were you doing at Sunrise?
I was going to visit my uncle, man. My uncle lived in that building. And when the police came creeping through there, I already knew what was up. Soon as I pull up to see my uncle, I usually take him places, like take him to go grocery shopping, stuff like that, right? So what he did, they said, okay, we're going to mess with him. Y'all was already set up. Because when I came out the lot, I looked to my left and I seen a big black truck sitting down there, right? I'm like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Man, come on now, really?
So you pulled off out of the parking lot, and then what? Then where'd you
And
go?
then the cop came, the big old truck.
The truck tried to pull you over.
Initiation of stop is predicated on reasonable suspicion of narcotics distribution within a known high crime area. Under Wisconsin Statute 346.04, the subject has a mandatory legal duty to comply with an officer's visual or audible signal. The subsequent flight elevates the interaction from a simple traffic stop to a felony violation of eluding an officer. Entering oncoming traffic at high speeds meets the statutory threshold for second-degree recklessly endangering safety, Wiz. Stat. 941.3. This statute requires proof of conduct that shows an utter disregard for human life and creates an unreasonable risk of death. The legality of the pursuit is weighed under Scott v. Harris, 2007, balancing the risk of flight against the danger to the public. Upon the vehicle crash and foot bail, the use of force must be evaluated under the objective reasonableness standard. Graham v. Connor, 1989, mandates that force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. Factors include the severity of the crime, immediate threat to safety, and active resistance or attempt to evade. The taser deployment is legally justified if the officer reasonably perceived the reach into the vehicle grille as a weapon threat. Pre-arrest indicators, such as noncompliance and furtive movements, are critical evidence in use of force defense. Once the suspect is secured, the officer's duty of care triggers an immediate requirement for medical clearance. Timely medical evaluation mitigates department liability and ensures compliance with standard operating procedures.
Alright, let's come in here.
24.
Evidence recovered along the flight path falls under the abandonment doctrine of the Fourth Amendment. Discarded property carries no reasonable expectation of privacy, making the narcotics fully admissible without a warrant. Under Illinois v. Cabals, 2005, a K9 sniff in a public space does not constitute a search requiring probable cause. The recovery of 44 grams of narcotics supports a charge of possession with intent to deliver, with Stat. 961.41. The intent element is inferred from the quantity, packaging, and concurrent possession of large sums of cash. Case outcome: conviction of reckless endangerment and intent to distribute resulted in a 4-year prison sentence. Lesson 1. Thorough backtracking of flight paths is essential for uncovering evidence that suspects attempt to disassociate from. Lesson 2. Clear radio documentation of environmental conditions during a pursuit is vital for justifying continued police action. Lesson 3. Miranda warnings must be documented before any custodial interrogation to ensure statements are admissible in court. This incident illustrates the successful convergence of tactical precision and adherence to constitutional law.